Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in this Walmart Pen+GEAR Traveler's Notebook. So I had a few questions about where the pink Traveler's Notebook came from. It is from Walmart. The tassel is from Dollar Tree, and the beads were a gift from a planner friend. This is approximately B6 size, and yes, it does hold a mini happy planner. I will link the video below where I demonstrate and show you all the sizes and give you all the details about this planner if you're interested. I also have an insert in here. I still haven't set it up yet. This is the weekly insert that came with it, and this is the dot grid insert that came with it. So in addition to that, I've also added this Dollar Tree weekly calendar insert. So this is my Dollar Tree planner. I use this for social media planning. It's a weekly planner. It's dated. It's not the best quality paper, but it works for what I need it to do. If you're interested in the Dollar Tree planners, now's the time to start looking. They do have the 2020 planners out, so check your local Dollar Tree. They also have a student planner version, which is a little more narrow. I think it's more of the size of a B6 Slim. This actually fits in a B6. And I will also link to the playlist of all of my Dollar Tree planner spreads, so you can check those out. So this week, this is the washi that I'm going to be using. Like I did with last week's From Scratch Plan With Me, it's kind of a high-low spread because I am using some washi from Simply Gilded. This is some washi that I've had in my stash, and these florals are from Walmart. For the doll, I'm going to be using Coco Vision's Timber. She's one of my favorite Coco Vision's dolls. We even did a spring collab based on this doll. So I'm using her since this is kind of the end of summer. Then I'm also going to be using these Chrissy Ann design stickers. They are date stickers, day of the week, month, that type of thing. These are from Michael's, by the way. And I'm going to be using this Petals and Blooms sticker book by the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. This is what it looks like. And at least one sticker from this sticker book. This is also from Hobby Lobby, and it's by me and my big ideas. And really, I'm only using at least one of these, I think. So that is everything that I pulled out to use. Of course, I'll be using some of my printable stickers and other things that I have if I need to. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with what I don't know. I think I want to just do a basic header. I think I've been kind of going too far with the headers lately, so let's see, is this see-through? Yeah. Are all of these see-through? I mean, I have another Petals and Bloom book that I could use, but it has like kind of chipboard type stickers. I don't know why they're so thick. Okay, so here is the other Petals and Blooms book. The difference is these are like the clear matte finish stickers. These are the ones that are like chipboard, so they don't always stick that well. Let me see if there's something in here that I can use. They're good for covering up. I thought I might use these more for my junk journals, just because they're really too thick for the average planner. Let's use this Hello sticker. It's got a little bit of yellow on the edge that I want to, well, I guess since we have yellow in the spread, it won't be so bad. Let me use it as is. Let's do our date covers. I'm going to use these two washis. And I think I'm going to also do like I did last week and do a full box or full page sticker using these Dollar Tree shipping labels. So let me get one of these out and go ahead and trim it in half. So I start out with an idea of what I want to do, kind of, but it always changes as I go. So save this one for another time. And since I already put the top piece down of washi, I'm just going to leave it. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and place it and worry about edging later. Okay. So let's go ahead and finish laying down the washi. This washi is from Simply Gilded. I'm not sure where I got the floral washi from. I think it's from Target. Maybe, I don't remember. It's been a couple of years, so. And I'm gonna go ahead and put timber down. I think I should put the washi first. And for the weekend, I'm just gonna use 2 rows of the Simply Gilded pink washi because timber is yellow, and I think if I use the yellow down here too, it would be too much. So there's that. I'm gonna use the bigger one. I like to get it to the edge of the washi, so let's trim off some of this so that it doesn't hang out behind her. That's just a little detail, but it makes a difference. So now it's just clean on the other side of her. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our dates. Since I haven't been using the Sunday and Saturday, I'm going to go ahead and use that this time and save the weekend for another week. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Definitely want to cover up the date because I'm going to use the Chrissy Ann Designs date. I don't know, does this go with this? Y'all, I don't think these go with this spread, so we're gonna ixnay the Chrissy Ann Designs. I'm gonna see if I can get them off and put them back. It just is, it's too much for this spread. Let's try something else. Where did it go? I think it was there. This is what I mean. Sometimes you have to regroup because that does not work. Okay, so Christiane Designs, it's not going to work for that. I'm going to use my day of the week covers instead. And do I want to use, I don't even want to use the dark pink. I'm going to use the light pink. I think that's much better. The black was just too bold. But we will use the Christiane Designs numbers. Because this week I do want to cover up the numbers. The numbers, and I think I'll use the outlined numbers. Maybe I should have used, nope, I think those were just, I wonder how these numbers will look. Let's see. I think I'll use those. They're not a perfect match, but they look nice. So I'm going to use these florals to add a little more to the spread. Okay, so we're gonna box this with the thin washi. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, these are printable stickers, most of them. Well, no, I forgot to have my JD and Brooklyn icons in here. But these are my social media icons. They're from JD and Brooklyn. I also have some word stickers in here from Piper Paper Company and some from Paper Crown Planner. The Paper Crown Planner ones are printables. And I'm going to use this to-do sticker here to make my list. So I'm giving myself 7 checklists. That's 1 for every day. And I'm going to put a quote or something down here. I haven't been doing a quote on these, but I think I want to this time. And I also, let me go ahead and get the sticker out of here. I'm going to use this because Monday is the first day of school. Just put a little note of that in this planner. And let's see if there's anything else in here we want to use. I think these would be good for Instagram stuff. So I'm just going to put one right there. I'm going to be able to see through that. Yes. But I'm going to use some whiteout to cover that up if I can find it. This one, I think this is the whiteout. Oop. This is the whiteout from Dollar Tree. You don't get much, so. I keep looking at this sticker. I think I'm going to use it. Right here. It says capture moments. I think that works good. I don't want to use all my florals. Let's see. Gotta do it. Move this down just, large. Just a little bit. Okay, that's a little excessive on the flowers, but that's what I like, so. Let me see. I think I'm gonna use this, put this week down. And then put the payday down. And I think that might be it for this week's spread. Probably should put a box down. Definitely going to do a day off. And I think I want to put in this planning time sticker down. So that's it for this week's social media plan with me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the little gray bell so that you receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check out the community tab and the stories so that you can see what I'm up to throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.